We don't use sprint goals. What's an example of a good sprint goal and how I can help us start using them? I've worked with a team that didn't use a sprint goal, and it was really challenging because we lacked focus and collaboration, and we were working on separate initiatives. And in one of the retrospectives, someone called out, we don't have a way to measure if our sprint was even successful. How can we move forward? And we agreed that let's start using sprint, a sprint goal. It's really going to help us. The next sprint planning, we focused on the topic, which was why is this sprint valuable? Now, we had already discussed that before, but really formulating a sprint goal based on that question and using our product goal, which at the time was to create an easy way for pet owners to share information about their lost pet. So how do we as a group, we had an open discussion as a group, how do we get there? What's our first stepping stone? And out of that conversation, we came up with the sprint goal to create a pet profile. It gives users the ability to have already saved data. So if they lose their pet, they're not in a frenzy writing misinformation. They already have that pet profile, and it's a stepping stone to get us there. So that's why that's a good sprint goal, because it helps us focus on the value delivered to the end user. It's flexible and it's a stepping stone toward our product goal. And that's what we target and we inspect every day at the daily scrum. So that's another way you can start using them to stay on track.